Discussions tool allows for threaded discussions. It can also be used as a class blog that is contained within the course instead of widely available online. This tool is very valuable for engaging in conversation where every student is active in writing and then responding to others. It's possible that you will see a different side of your students as it allows for them to show their thinking and reflect on their learning. You can also incorporate meaningful digital competencies like communicating using a variety of media, voicing opinions and advocating for ideas, and listening to understand all points of view. It can also be collaborative in nature as they learn from each other and contribute their ideas to their learning. The first step to get started with discussions is to create a discussion forum. Select New, and then New Forum. Write a title for the forum, for example, a main topic or unit. There is an option to write a description if you wish. Scroll down to adjust any of the other settings for the forum's availability. You may wish to hide it until it's introduced in class, or set a date range for visibility. Otherwise, leave the forum visible. Then select Save and Close. To create a discussion topic within a forum, select the drop-down arrow next to the forum title. Select Add Topic. Write a title for the discussion topic that describes the purpose of the discussion. Scroll down and write your instructions in the description box. There are some other options like moderating the posts before they are displayed to the class, but the default settings are usually best. Scroll down and change the availability. It will default to the topic being unlocked and visible to students, so you only need to change it if you want to hide it or choose a date range. Then select Save and Close. The first post that a student or teacher writes in a discussion topic is their thread. To start a new thread, select the topic title. Then select Start a New Thread. Give your post a descriptive title that gives the reader a sense of the direction you will be taking in your writing. Next, write your post in the text editor. Note that you can add supportive media as well, like YouTube videos, images, proper in-text web links, and even embed code. Select the information icon to the top right of this video anytime to navigate to the YouTube playlist on how to add stuff to your post. When you are finished, select Post. It is highly recommended to write your post first in a word processor and then, after editing and polishing, complete your posting. This process is best to ensure you don't lose your work, since it's not possible to save a draft and go back to finish posting at a later time. On the Topics page, you will see your peers' posts under the Start a New Thread button. Select any title to read a peer's post. After reading and thinking about their post, select Reply to Thread, and another text editor will open for you to write your response. Again, write a specific, meaningful title. Then write your response and add supportive media if appropriate. When you are done, select Post. You will see your response posted under their thread. Again, you can't save a draft, so use a word processor to ensure you don't lose any of your work. It's important to give students guidelines for their posting and responding. I have created this object that can be added to any course environment in the Discussions tool at the top of the page. It has guidelines for the students' post, their responses to others, and digital citizenship reminders. The question matrix is added to support helping students ask meaningful questions, as well as the YouTube playlist for how to insert media into their posts. Logging platforms use the same text editor like you have seen here in the Discussions tool. Students are able to add all the same media that can be added to a blog post. It's possible to comment on a post as well. Logging safely within the password-protected environment allows students to feel more comfortable with posting their work publicly, which can be intimidating enough just to share with their peers. Another bonus is not having to go through the process of getting your students signed up and able to log in to yet another online application. It's only missing tags and categories. However, you could ask students to add a list of tags at the end of their post. You can use it for a variety of subjects: reflection, formal writing pieces, opinion writing, a homework connection, or sharing key moments in the inquiry process. The Discussions tool has a great deal of usefulness and flexibility to use in a variety of contexts and grade levels.